Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Math Tutorials. My name is Arnav, and in today's video we will solve another numerical based on centrifugal pump. So let's read out this numerical problem. A centrifugal pump is to discharge 0.118 meter cube per second volume at a speed of 10450 rpm against a head of 25 meter. The impeller diameter is 250 mm and its width at outlet is 50 mm and manometric efficiency is 75%. Determine the vane angle at outlet periphery of the impeller. So this is the velocity triangle of that centrifugal pump. He is asking us to calculate or determine the vane angle at outlet, means he is asking to determine this phi. From this question, first we write the given data. So this is the we return the given data in this numerical problem. The given data is discharge Q is 0.118 meter cube per second. Speed of rotation N is 10450 rpm. Head is manometric head to which we need to calculate the discharge is 25 meter. Diameter at outlet D2 is 250 mm. We can write that as 0.25 meter. Width at outlet B2 is 50 mm, which can be written as 0.05 meter. Manometric efficiency eta MAN is 75%, which can also be written as 0.75. So he is asking about tan phi. So in this triangle we can calculate tan phi is height upon base. This base is U2 minus VW2. Alright. As we know that Vf1 is equal to Vf2, because in the centrifugal pump flow velocity remain constant throughout the process. So for calculating this phi angle, first calculate the U2, which is calculated by this formula pi d2 v2 pi d2 n by 60. Just normal formula is pi d n by 60. For outlet is pi d2 n by 60. So pi into d2 is given 0.25 meter, n is 1450 rpm divided by 60, and let me solve this. After solving this, we are getting this as 18.98 meter per second. So we got the value of u2. First value we got this u2. Alright, now calculate the second value, which is vf2. Vf2 flow velocity. We know that discharge is Q equal to area into velocity, and area at outlet is pi d2 v2, and velocity of flow is vf2. Alright, so from here vf2 is Q divided by pi d2 v2. We have Q 0.118 meter cube per second, pi d2 0.25 meter, and v2 is 0.05 meter. By solving this, we will getting F2 is 3.0 meter per second. So we got Vf2. Now U2, and now we will calculate Vw2. So we have given manometric efficiency. The formula of manometric efficiency is GHM divided by VW2 U2. From here Vw2 is G into manometric head divided by manometric efficiency into U2. By putting the value, at one HM is 25 meter, manometric efficiency is 75%, means 0.75, and U2 is, we calculated 3 point, U2 what we calculated, U2 18.98 meter per second. So from here we can calculate the U2 is coming out about 17.23 meter per second. This is nothing but the flow velocity, and this velocity remains constant throughout the process from inlet to outlet. So now putting these values in this formula, tan phi Vf2 is 17.23, U2 is 18.9798, and Vf2 is 3 meter per second, and Vw2 is 17.23 meter per second. Let's solve this. Phi is equal to tan inverse of 3 divided by 18.98 minus 17.23. When you will solve this, you will get the angle of 59.74 degree. This is the vane angle at outlet, and this is our answer. Very simple question. Just follow the process, calculate the data and put the data in this formula, and you can calculate this vane angle at outlet. Hope you understood this problem. And if you understood this problem, please like this video and do subscribe my channel. In next video we will see another example with another difficulty level. Thanks for watching.